think since I'm in this greenhouse today, I might as well get some of these lettuces out, put them in this pack. Then I've got some extra ones. So we'll get this pack filled and watered. It's so much easier to put in these lettuce seedlings when your compost is wet. And then I'll make some nice deep holes. We always bury lettuce really deep. That'll do it. Now we'll take a couple of these out. They're quite a good size as well, so we can get these straight in this pack. You always want to make sure you've got backup lettuce plants so you can replace things while you're harvesting. I mean, look at the size of the roots on this little thing. Probably gonna have to make that hole a bit bigger. Get that poked in right down. And we'll get another one. If I leave these much longer, they'll be really difficult to get out. So it's just as well we're doing it today. I'll shake a bit of compost, think, off that one. They have quite a lot. I mean, that's got loads of roots. Again, shake some of that compost away, make it a bit easier to get in pack. Another nice big one. We'll just shake these, see if we can part some. Yeah, we'll leave that little one. We'll take this nice big one. We'll get this last one poked in. And there we go. As quick as that, 12 more little gem lettuce plants. And we've still got loads in there as well. So I think what I'll do is we took a few more out than we actually needed. We'll get rid of these tiny ones, and I'm just going to pop these bigger ones back in because they'll just carry on growing perfectly fine. As long as we stand them up, could be good. That was really quick and easy to do. As you just saw, took no time at all. We've now got 12 replacement little gem lettuce plants for when we exhaust some of these in containers. And that's all you need to keep doing. Sow a few more seeds every 8 days or so. Just in little tubs like that. That'll be taking up no space at all. And then we've still got all this spinach to go out as well. So I think these I might take out in clumps and plant 2 or 3 together. I've also got some of these pots, and they're slightly bigger than a 9cm one. Got a larger diameter. So what I'll do is I'm going to take all these spinach out, I'm going to divide them into clumps, and then we'll pop them in there and let them grow on, and then we can plant out a bigger established clump of spinach all at once, or just transfer it to a bigger pot if we wanted to. So we'll give this pot of water and then we'll take this spinach out. So we should be able to get this out in one, like that. And you can see how the roots are getting at the bottom. So now we've got it out like that, we can just break it into clumps. So we end up with something like this. That will make a slightly bigger hole this time, but still deep. And holding them by their top, we can keep them together as well. And then firm in around those edges so everything's nice and upright. And we've probably got about 4 plants in that one area now. I'm just going to build up a little bit around these edges. So I want everything nicely packed together like that. So I'm hoping that when these have grown over the next couple of weeks with this good weather on its way, they're going to be more like this. Then the whole thing can just be planted out in one clump. Let's do another one. Same as before. Fill pot and give it a really good watering. And then we'll make a nice big deep hole. And then again we'll just pull off a nice big clump of those and try and keep them all together. And then force these into this hole really deep like that and fill around the edges. So in just a few minutes we've got these 12 more lettuces planted on, and we've got 3 big pots of spinach that's in big clumps, so it's going to make a nice mass of spinach leaves when it grows, and that's why we've put them in these slightly bigger pots. So we'll just grow them on for a few weeks until they bush out, and then we'll put the whole thing in either a bigger container or in garden. And if you want to see how they get on over the next few weeks, just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next video. You all take care. Thank you.